Today we're gonna be doing a tune-up on this furnace.
Yup, and I do. Let me know, girl, what you wanna do. Give me some and I give it to you. Yup, and I do. Let me know, girl, what you wanna do. Give me some and I give it to you. What you wanna do, girl? Shit, I'm ready for whatever. If you ask me, I could really run shit like a track meet, but for today, I'ma go and play the backseat. I might fuck around and pull up in a taxi. And you know I look good in the black tee. She already calling me her baby daddy. Car shit, she already tryna trap me. Okay, this what I want. I want you to say what you want and be blunt. Julio sipping, I feel like I'm tripping, but listen, I'm only a little bit drunk. Pick up the phone, we ain't talking a month. If she come over, I go for the dunk. Give me a booty, I'm rubbing her butt. And no baby girl, I don't wanna fuck. You know what I want. You know what I want.
Alright, so we went upstairs. Type thermostat. Now we got igniter lit, gas valve open, flame burning. Perfect. That's a good furnace right there. We're gonna change the filter. Well, we're gonna check the filter and see. Oh yeah, that thing's dirty. We're gonna change that. This one we got. See some flame, fan going. That we're gonna change this filter out, and that'll be it. Okay, back in this place. Everything all buttoned up. Now it's time to clean up our mess.